Greetings. Okay, back again. It's been a little while. Let's just get cracking, shall we? So I've got this Brio, if that's how you say this, train engine that is faulty. I will attach the listing onto the screen now. Faulty, when I put a battery in, the light comes on, very dim, and no movement backwards or forwards. The battery terminals are clean and no corrosion. Batteries not included. Any questions, please let me know. Let's just look visually. Got these triangular screws at the bottom. Little diagram to show the battery is in the top of the smokestack. So we need to get that out and change the battery, or fit a new battery if there's no battery in there. Got some sort of switch here, three-way switch, and got a button here. No idea what any of this does. I'm guessing this is just to, have carriages attached, isn't it? This little magnet here. So yeah, let's get a battery in and see what it does. Right, battery's in. So neutral position on the switch. Does this do anything? No. Wait, is this the right way? No, wrong way. There we go. Right, neutral, nothing. Then switch forward, get a very dim light here that flashes. It's gone off completely. And then the other one, light comes on briefly. Nothing's working, is it? So, do we have multiple faults here? No idea. Let's just crack this open, shall we? Let's get these screws out. Uno momento. Right, that's the magnet out with the screws attached, so that can go over there. Just dropped it. Alright, let's lift up the chassis. Okay, it's probably done it upside down, shouldn't I? Right, there we go. And here we have, we've got some sort of gearbox arrangement here and some sort of motor inside there. Just a set of wheels there. Here's our little breakout board with the switch here, some wires. Let's pull this out. Okay. Oh. That was a nut. I'm not sure where that just came from. Where did that nut just come from? Did everybody see that? Ah. Okay, the nut goes in there for the screw. Okay. Right. Looks like we've got another set of screws for the switch up the top. Let's get that out. Right, there we go. Let's just get this untucked as well. Oh, that's quite tight actually. Let me leave that. Looks fairly simple, doesn't it, really? LED here. Oh, so this has been injection moulded over this board, this switch. Alright. That is worth. The gearbox seems jammed up. These gears here are not moving. This is just jumping. These teeth are jumping over this gear here. So if I try and move this set, it's just solid. But overall, the gears seem intact. Got some debris and hair there, but we can clean it out. There we go. So these wheels here should all be free now to spin, I reckon. Let's have a look. There we go. So it's not seized up there, is it? So the motor, that spins freely as well. Interesting. What happens if we have the gearbox out and try and power it up now. Any difference? No. Nothing. Look, I'm generating a backwards EMF there. Look at me rotating that. I'm now powering the light. Oh, there we go. Let's start spinning there. Odd. There we go, look. Forward, reverse. That is working. Right. Electrical connection there has failed. We can resolve that, that's fine. Well, this one, that was right. Right, folks. I've done some digging on the internet. I've seen a few videos and Google sort of searches where this is not an LED bulb. This is a incandescent bulb, isn't it? This is like got a filament in there. So that brightness, what you see at 1.5 volts, is all you're gonna get. So it's dim anyway. I'll show a video of a guy unboxing a brand new one. You'll see it's exactly the same. So what I think is the actual issue, more than anything, is just this loose connection here that's come off now. So that just needs to be reattached, and I think we're good to go. Let's get this wire attached. Right, let's try some flux this time on that connector. Not sure why I'm struggling so much with this. This is so simple, and yet I'm making such a meal out of this. Jesus Christ. Lord, give me strength. Right, go on there, you little twat. Alright, let's just expose these wires properly. Yes, I am making an absolute dog's dinner of this. Slight regrets working on this now. It's just so fiddly. Alright, come on. You're not going to be defeated by a little model train, are you? For 3-year-olds, this is. Right, you stay there, stay in there. There we go. Right, that's back to how it was. Great.
Oh, thank God.
Right, let's get these wheels on, and then I can finally be done with this, because actually this is doing my head in now. This is so basic, and I'm just making an absolute meal of it. Jesus. Okay, the moment of truth. Does she chooch? She chooches. And she goes backwards. Chooch, chooch. There we go, folks. She works. She chooches. I mean, fairly easy one, however fiddly, and I did make a meal of this, so yes, apologies to anybody watching thinking I'm an absolute tool. You're correct, I am a tool. Right, that's it sorted. So poor connection on the motor, cool, awesome. I think that's a fix. Till next time, folks, potato out.